Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. This is the second video on the topic tree which is a non-linear data structure. In this video we will try to understand the concept of tree traversal. By tree traversal we mean to visit each and every node of a given tree. Now there are three different techniques to visit each and every node of a given tree. The first technique is called level by level traversal. Level by level traversal technique consists of two steps. Step number 1, visit level 0 and then visit each further level from oldest to younger brother node. Second technique is called pre-ordered traversal. Pre-ordered traversal technique consists of two different steps. Number 1, process parent node and then visit each children nodes from left to right of a corresponding parent node. Third technique is called post-ordered traversal. Visit each node from left to right of a corresponding parent node and then process parent node. Now we will try to understand these three techniques using some examples. Now consider the first tree. A is the root parent node with three children nodes B, C and D. The level number of A is 0, so the level number of B, C and D is 1, 1 and 1. Now we will try to traverse this technique first of all using level by level traversal. Level by level traversal means visit level 0. Level 0 is node A, then we visit each further level from left to right. So this is B level. Next level is 1 from left to right, B, C and D. Second traversal technique is called pre-order traversal, in which process parent node. The first node, parent node is A. Then visit each child node of the corresponding parent node from left to right. Now the corresponding parent node here is A, so the children nodes are from left to right B, C and D. Now consider second tree. Post-order traversal. Third technique. Post-order traversal means first of all we have to visit the children nodes from left to right of a parent node and then we will have to process or visit the parent node. So the first child, we cannot process A before B, C and D because A is the parent node. So the B is the parent child node from left to right B, C and D, and then post order means the parent at the end. Okay guys, now consider the second tree. First of all assign level numbers 0, so this is 1, 1, 1 and this is 2, 2. Okay, so now level by level traversal. First of all level 0 A, followed by nodes of level 1 B, C, D and then nodes of level 2 from left to right E and F. Then the second technique is pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal, visit parent node, process parent node A, then visit each child node from left to right. The first child node from left to right is B, followed by the younger brother of B is C, but C in itself is the parent node, so its corresponding children nodes are E and F. Then the younger brother of C is D. Okay guys, last traversal technique is called post order traversal where the parent node comes after the children nodes. Now first of all A, but A is the parent node, so it cannot come before its children nodes. The first child node of A is B, younger brother of B is C, but C in turn is the parent of E and F, so C cannot come before its children nodes E, F, and the parent node C. The younger brother of C is D, and the parent of D is A. Okay guys, now consider this tree. Now this is a bit complex tree. First of all, assign level numbers 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now the level number of R is 2, 2, 2, and V's parent is T, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 3, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. So traversal of tree, first of all using level by level traversal. So first of all level 0, which is P, then level 1 from left to right, S, Q, T, A, then level 2 from left to right, R, A, U, V, then level 3 left to right, F, X, W, then level 4 left right, Y and Z. Second traversal technique is called pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal, so this means that a parent is followed by its corresponding children nodes. First of all, the first parent node is P, and from left to right its first child node is S. S is followed by Q. The younger brother of S is Q, but in turn Q is the father of R, A and U. Then comes the younger brother of Q, which is T. Now T is the father of V. In turn V is the father of F, X and W, where W is the father of Y and Z, and then comes the younger brother of T, which is A. So the last traversal technique is post order traversal. Post order traversal means a parent comes after its corresponding children nodes. This means that P cannot come before its corresponding children nodes. The first child node is S. Second brother or the younger brother of S is Q, but Q in turn is the parent of R, U and A and U, so it cannot come before its children nodes R, A, U and then their parents Q. The younger brother of Q is T, but T is the parent of V and V is the parent of F and X and W, but W is the parent of Y and Z. Now the parent of Z is W, the parent of W is V, the parent of V is T, and the younger brother of T is A, and then the parent of all the nodes is V. Now consider here another example. The level 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2 and then there 3. First of all, level by level traversal. So the level 0 is M, level 1 is from left to right is E, F, K, then level 2 from left to right R, C, L, G, T, P, H and then level 3 is W. pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal means a parent node comes before its corresponding nodes. So this means that M, the oldest brother of M, is E, and E in turn is the parent of R, so this is R. Now there is no younger brother of R, so the younger brother of E is F, which in turn is the parent of C. Younger brother of C is L, which is the father of W, and youngest brother of C and L is G. Then the younger brother of F is K, which is the father of T, P, and H. The last one is post order traversal. Post order traversal means that a parent comes after its corresponding children nodes. This means that M cannot come before E, and E in turn is the parent of R. So first of all, R, the parent of R is E, the younger brother of E is F, which is the parent of C. C is the brother of L, but L is the parent of W. Father of W is L, the youngest brother of C and L is G. Their parent node is F. The youngest brother of E and F is K, but K is the parent of T, P, and H. Their parent node is K, and the parent node of K is M. Okay, guys? So now here there are two different trees for your practice. Practice these trees to traverse each and every node of these both of these trees. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, and like my videos. Okay, guys? Thank you.